Hey everyone, today's dish is a delectable and tasty aubergine and spinach curry. Heat some oil in a pot and saute fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, slit green chillies, chopped garlic until the raw smell disappears. Add sliced onion, some salt and cook until translucent. Some chopped tomatoes. Cook everything together until it turns mushy. Add all spices with a splash of water to prevent it from burning. Cook together until oil separates. Coat the chopped aubergine well and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes till mushy. Add some chopped spinach. Combine everything together and cook for 5 minutes. Add 2.5 cups of water. And some salt. Cover to cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. It's ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot. If you like this recipe, then do try it out and don't forget to like, comment and share. Show some love and hit the subscribe button to join my family. I'll see you in my next recipe video. Until then, take care and stay safe.